Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need clarity now. Pick a narrow niche and commit. Once chosen, set up free channels, a simple blog, YouTube channel, or social profile, and brand them consistently. Make 3 content ideas that solve clear problems and schedule 1 week of posts to build momentum. While you do this, sign up for affiliate programs that match your niche so you can include links immediately. Make sure to use a single tracking method so you can measure what works from day 1. Now you create and distribute content that converts. You'll make a short video, a long-form post, and a shareable graphic for each idea. Each piece should answer search intent and include your affiliate link naturally. Once done, optimize with 1 clear keyword, a benefits-focused headline, and call to action. Promote in niche communities, answer questions on forums, and collaborate with micro-creators to expand reach without spending money. Monitor clicks and engagement. Finish by scaling what works and fixing what doesn't. Export click and conversion data, find your top 3 pieces, and replicate their structure. Once you identify winners, test 1 change at a time, headline variants, CTA language, or link placement to boost conversion rates. Make sure to reinvest time into high-return formats. If results stall, troubleshoot by checking your CTA clarity, match between content and offer, and link tracking. Improve 1 element, and retest for measurable gains within 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.